In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar links on this Volkswagen GTI. Let's get into it. We're going to take the lug bolts off. I'm going to use a 17mm socket, remove the wheel. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel on so it doesn't fall. And then just grab the wheel and slide it off. Now we're going to remove the lower nut. I'm going to use a 18mm wrench and a 6mm triple square to hold the stud from spinning. Loosen this up. You could also use some locking pliers just on the stud behind so it's a little bit easier. Slide that off, pull that out, disconnect the pliers. For the top one, we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to use some locking pliers on the back side of the stud. Use a 18mm socket, take that nut off, and it slides right out. Now we're going to use an 18mm ratchet wrench and a 5mm hex key to keep the stud from spinning. We'll tighten this down. I'm gonna get that snug. Slide that hex key out. Now torque that nut to 47 foot-pounds. Take the lower link, line it into the stabilizer bar. Put the nut on. Use that 18mm ratchet wrench, 5mm hex key. I'll tighten this down. Snug that down. And now we'll torque this to 47 foot-pounds. Now take the wheel and slide it on. Take the lug bolts, get those started. I'm going to tighten these down. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go back again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.